With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, it is given that a bat can hear sound frequency up to 120 Hz. We have to find the minimum wavelength of sound that which it can hear. Take a speed of sound in air to be 344 meter per second. It is given that a bat can hear frequency up to 120 Hz. So frequency is given is equal to 120 kilohertz. 1 kilohertz it means 10 to the power 3 Hz. So frequency is given 10 to the power 3 Hz. A speed is given as 344 meter per second. So 344 meter per second, 344 meter per second. We have to find the wavelength. So we know that V is equal to F into lambda, where V is speed of where V is equal to speed of light, sound, F is equal to frequency, and lambda is equal to wavelength. So putting V is equal to 344 here, frequency is 120 into 10 to the power 3 Hertz, and lambda is just place lambda here. So in place of lambda just write lambda. So lambda will be 344 upon 120 into 10 to the power 3. Now further solving, we write this as 344 upon 120 into, if 10 to the power 3 goes up, it will be 10 to the power minus 3. Now if we divide 344 by 120, then we will get 344 divided 120, we get 2.866 into 10 to the power minus 23 meter. So this will be our required answer, 2.866 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.